So I've already started cleaning this, but I thought it noteworthy to show how this is done. This is my dryer. It's full of lint. Every now and again, you should clean it out, which is a good thing. And basically what I've got going on right now is the dryer is on downstairs. And to remove these, just kind of fold them a little bit and they'll flex right out of the way so these little tabs can come out of their slots. And I actually have a dryer lint tool that's currently in my drill. And you just stick it in here, you turn it clockwise, you screw these sections together and debris will just start flying out because I've got air blowing out this way. So here we go. You kind of only want to go in and out about 12 inches at a time, and you'll see once I hit the spot that has a lot of lint. I've reached kind of the end of it, so I'm going to have to add some more onto here. These rods came with the dryer cleaning kit. You screw in. The drill, of course, doesn't, but it makes it much easier if you got a drill to work with. That, unfortunately, is all the deeper I can go in my dryer. I got to go inside and take off the rest of the junctions and go further in there, kind of repeating the same process, except I'll use a shop vac to suck it the other direction, and we'll get this done. So here we are. You can see all the lint that is pulled out once I got done. I didn't show cleaning the inside because basically it's just disconnecting the dryer and doing the last little bit, but it's all out. A lot of debris. You should constantly do this, usually about once every couple of years, if not sooner, just to keep your dryer lines completely clean.